Do you know how to add your credit card and loyalty passes to your iPhone? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and if you use an Apple iPhone, using the Wallet app is a great way to keep everything safe and handy. The Wallet app comes on every iPhone and Apple Watch and allows you to store, manage, and secure digital currency and your credit and debit cards. It's like a virtual wallet, and you can also store things like transit cards, digital keys, in some states your driver's license, employee badges, student ID cards, reward cards, boarding passes, concert tickets, even vaccine cards. So how do you add a card to your Apple Wallet app? Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus button in the top right corner. Pick which type of card you'd like to add, then follow the prompts to add the card's information. In many cases, credit card companies may ask for a one-time verification phone call to make sure it's you adding the card to the wallet. You can add other tickets and passes like airline boarding passes to your wallet. When given the prompt, add to Apple Wallet, you'll be able to tap and add, and it'll appear in your wallet later on so you can use your phone as your ticket or boarding pass. For more tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and sign up for my free newsletter.